Cheryl Jadine. I'm back with day 4 of your 30-day blueprint to start a business. And today I want to talk about 3 ways to make money with an AI tool that I have been using in my business. But first, I want to congratulate you for making it this far, because by now you should have some ideas and you should have brainstormed some things, and you want to take your niche ideas and match it with a business model. So let's say you want to do something in weight loss. You might want to write some info products. You might want to make some tangible product recommendations as an affiliate. So you would send people over to Amazon or something like that, but make sure you have your affiliate account set up. You definitely want to think about what your income goals are and make your decisions based on that. You can actually make better decisions based on that, because if you want to be a service-based provider, like a coach, a consultant, then you would have to decide if you're going to do one-to-one, one-to-many, which includes maybe a membership or some type of group program where you can serve more people. Think about what that income goal is and decide from there. Now, here's the good part. You might want to sell digital products, tangible products. You might want to create designs that you can sell to people. You might want to start an agency like I did. I started with a branding agency selling designs, basically creating banners for social media, creating social media graphics, things like that. This AI tool is going to help you do all the things. Okay, so stay tuned. I got you. Okay, so we are here at Audiogram. This is the tool that I've been using probably a year or so, and it's been good with helping me create logos, designs, things like that. So as you can see, there are a lot of designs here, and these are actually from people who have created designs on here. And so it's kind of just public unless you upgrade from the free plan, and you can make it private if you want your designs to be private. Okay, other than that, it's public. Everyone's is not going to show up here, but some of them do. Also, as you can see up here, you'll see generate. So what we're going to do is put a prompt in here and then hit generate, and it's going to give us a design. Now, I want to point out that you only get about 5 free generations until you have to wait for it to reload your credits for more generations. Okay, so it used to be 20 free generations, and now they cut it all the way down to about 5 or 10. So that's the thing with this. It's okay. I mean, it's not a bad thing. What you can do is something that I did. I just created more accounts so that I could have more tries, right? I only have the free plan. I did not upgrade just yet. Okay, so if we scroll down, we can take a look at some of the things here and get some ideas. And that's also what I like about this, is that when you can look at what other people have already created, you can get some ideas for yourself. If we scroll down here, like something like this one could be put on a t-shirt, but we can change that up. You know, we can change the design a little bit, but it's something that can just go on a t-shirt. Okay, same as this one here. So it might give you some ideas on what you want to create. If you're doing templates, if you're doing clothing, mugs, things like that, you might want to, actually that design we just looked at about the beer can go on a mug. Yeah, that can go on a mug too. So if we scroll down, clearly something like this is a logo. I'm going to show you what you can do in a minute here. This one here, this is another logo, but they have other things too. Like, you can really get some good ideas here on what to create. So if we go over here, let's just say to this one with the beer, let's just click on that. Okay, now when you click on one of these designs, or you put a prompt up here and it generates designs for you, it's going to give you 4 different ones. So this is 4 variations of this particular design. Now the prompt is over here. So with the ones that are already in here created, here's a prompt on the side over here, and then you have a magic prompt as well. Okay, so if you wanted to like use this prompt, let's say let's click on this, right? We want to use this prompt. Now we can go ahead in here and we can actually edit this prompt. All right, so this says a vector illustration of a Christmas themed t-shirt design with the text, a day without beer is like. So let's just say a day without my cat is like. Just kidding, I have no idea. Okay, so the text is surrounded by, let's just say, see, since it says 2 beer glasses, let's just say it's 2 cats. Let's just put that in there and see. 2 cats with two cats with black fur. Let's just say something like that. The design is placed on a white background and is meant for a t-shirt. Also include a bowl of pretzels. We can also include a bowl of cat food. And we're just doing a simple edit just so we can see what it's going to generate. Now let's hit generate and see what happens. Now sometimes it takes a while because of course you're on the free plan. If you wanted to go faster with the generations, you will have to upgrade to a paid plan. Other than that, have some patience and it's going to generate some designs. All right, so let's hit that and look. It totally changed it and gave us what we asked for. Now, sometimes with these designs, I will say you'll have things like this that don't make sense, out of place, stuff like that. And you'll have to go and edit that. And I'll show you how to do that in Canva. But this is so cute. Let's just see the other ones that came up. A day without my cat is like, this is so cute. The worst part about this though is when you see a design you really like and it has maybe 1 or 2 things wrong with it and it's just hard to edit that out. So but I will say this, one thing that I like to do is like I can take this design, let's just say I take this one, right? I can go up here and click remix. I want to remix this, right? So it's going to give me more variations of this particular design. So we're going to remix it. And let's see what comes up. Okay. It's moving faster than usual, actually. So that's pretty cool. Okay. So like you take a design that you like and you just remix it and see what other variations you get. And sometimes it's a slight variation and sometimes it's a big variation. But this is Ideogram. It's a pretty cool tool to use. Like I said, you can do t-shirts, you can t-shirt designs, you can do mug designs, designs for bags, templates that you want to create with a design on it. Or if you're doing a lead magnet or something like that and you want to put a design on it. What else? So many different things. Logos, of course, logos. So just try it out, see what you come up with. And now we're going to go over to Canva and see how we can take one of these designs and just kind of clean it up, replace some things, take out the background, do the things that we need to do with it. Okay, so we are now over in Canva. I have taken one of the designs, I uploaded it, and now I'm going to do a little bit of editing. So I mentioned before about this part right here. It looks funky, like it doesn't belong there. and it's just messing up the design basically. So I want to remove that. What I'm going to do is go to the edit feature here, and I'm going to use the magic eraser. Okay, I'm going to put the brush sides down a little bit, and I'm just going to erase this. Okay, sometimes you have to go back in just to clean it up some more. It's a little tedious, but hopefully if you find something you really like, you won't have to do this at all. But if you need to, this is the best way to go about it. Okay, so we're almost done. We just got a little bit up here. Okay, so if I wanted to put something else here now, it's cleaned up, I could do that. I could remove this entire thing if I wanted to, just erase everything and maybe put a paw print here, like a big paw print right here, just to make the design look a lot better. Okay, if I wanted to, let's see, let's go back here. If I wanted to take out the entire background, here's background remover right here. Now I will say that you have to have the upgraded plan on Canva for this. I don't think it's available in the free part. So the background remover, of course, will remove the background, and when you go to download it, you can go to share, download, transparent background, and it should be able to go ahead and download that without the white background. So you'll go ahead and put this design on your mug, your t-shirt, or whatever. Another thing that I really like about doing designs like this is because if you wanted to create some type of, let's say some type of mock-up, you could actually do that as well. Okay, so there's different things that you can do. Let me see here. I'm going to go back down. Let's add another page. I think I have something. I have pillows here. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. So like I designed her in Midjourney. I wanted someone with a white t-shirt. Now, of course, you can do purple, black. I have different ones here. But if I wanted to put this design on her, I could do that. Let me see. I'm just going to go upload the design if I can find it. Okay, now it doesn't look like it took out my background. Let me try this again. Okay, we tried it again and it did it. All right. So now we can put it on her and actually see what it's going to look like on a t-shirt, which is pretty cool. And if we wanted to promote this, we could use this design. We just got to download the entire thing and we could promote our t-shirts. So this is just a way that you can work around some things and get some things done for yourself without spending too much money. You can absolutely do this yourself. All right, so this was day 4. In our next video, we're going to go over some more things about branding, logos, just kind of pulling it all together with how your brand should look cohesive and making that work. All right, I will see you in the next video.